In this video, we're going to create a simple moving average for a stock. In this example, I'm using Apple. And here we have the data frame with the price information of Apple from the last 13 years. And here below, we have the 50 moving average. We're going to make this in only 12 lines of code. And I'm going to head to the editor to write the 12 lines of code. I created a new folder, moving average, and created a new file, SMA, simple moving average.py. We need two modules. We need to import yfinance as yf, and we need to import Streamlit as st. I will create variable ticker. I'm using Apple in my example. We'll have a start date and an end date. The start date will be 2010 11/27, and the end date will be today and is 2023 11/27. I'm going to set the page title and the layout to white. So page title will be simple moving average. Simple moving average, and it's going to be a 50 simple moving average, and layout is going to be white. I'm going to set a header, simple moving average of ticker, and I'm going to wrap it into a data frame. So I'm going to say price df equals to yf download ticker start end. I'm going to display the data frame, and I'm going to set width to 1800 and height to 600. I'm going to create a new column, 50 SMA equals to price df adjusted close rolling. It's an inbuilt function, and 50. Just going to take the average of the last 50 values and mean, and I'm going to plot it to a chart, line chart, price df, and we're going to have the 50 SMA, and we're going to have the adjusted close. And I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run it. We'll say Streamlit run sma.py. I'm going to head over to the browser to check if it worked. And here we have the price information from 2010 until today. And here we have the moving average, and we can zoom in. And if we want to have a moving average of 9, then we just have to change the 50 to 9, and that's going to take the moving average of 9. I will make another video where I'll make candlestick patterns and where it will be nicer, but this is the easiest and fastest way to create a moving average in Python and to visualize it in Streamlit with only 12 lines of code.